Imagine living in a home where everything listens to you, learns from you, and makes life ridiculously easy. In 2025, smart home gadgets are taking apartments to the next level. And today, I've got 15 of the coolest ones you can grab on Amazon right now. From security to entertainment, energy savings to pure convenience, these gadgets are game changers. Whether you're a tech lover or just want an easier lifestyle, there's something here for you. So, if you're ready to upgrade your apartment with the latest tech, hit that like button and stick around till the end. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing gadget finds. Number 1. Want an easier way to keep your plants thriving? This self-watering planter tells you when to hydrate, no more guessing. Dual watering funnels make plant care a breeze. UV-resistant and self-aerating, perfect for any space. Number 2. Meet the High Mirror Slide, your smart beauty BFF. With LED lights and a built-in skin detector, it analyzes your complexion for flawless skin care. Plus, the foldable stand makes it perfect for anywhere. Would you try this? Number 3. Need a game changer for typing on the go? Check out the Dartle Wireless Laser Keyboard. A full-size keyboard and mouse in one with Bluetooth V3.0 for seamless pairing. Say goodbye to tiny screens. Ready to type like a pro? Number 4. Want perfect eggs every time? The Elite Gourmet EGC 115B cooks 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled style with ease. Simply add water, press a button, and let it cook. No more peeling struggles, and it even steams veggies. Compact, easy to clean, and a perfect gift. What's your favorite way to use it? Number 5. Looking for a sleek TV stand with a built-in mini fridge? It holds 22 cans and keeps them cold. Perfect for movie nights. RGB lights with 60,000 color options for the ultimate vibe. Plenty of storage with adjustable shelves and drawers. Number 6. Want to clean faster and easier? Meet the electric spin scrubber. Cordless, rechargeable, and powerful. Perfect for tiles, tubs, toilets, and sinks. No more cords, just a deep clean with ease. Number 7. Want healthier plants without the hassle? Check out the Moistenland Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. With customizable watering schedules and a water-saving design, it waters your plants while you're away. DIY installation in just 15 minutes. No more overwatering. Number 8. Boost productivity with the 3-in-1 digital smart pen. Sync handwritten notes in real time, convert them to text, and even record audio while you write. Want searchable notes and offline storage? This pen has it all. Number 9. Introducing the Home Magician 324 FT Digital Tape Measure. Perfect for linear, curved, and even cylindrical measurements. Light, portable, and rechargeable. Take it anywhere. Ready to make your measurements easier? Grab yours now. Number 10. Struggling with sleep? The Hatch Restore 2 could be your solution. Customizable sleep sounds, a sunrise alarm, and even on-demand darkness. Control everything with your phone. No buttons needed. Number 11. Need more screen space? Check out the Sidetrack Swivel 14. It turns your laptop into a dual-screen powerhouse with 360-degree swivel and a full HD display. Perfect for work on the go. Number 12. Need a kettle that's smart and fast? The Govee Life Smart Kettle heats water in just 5 to 7 minutes with Wi-Fi control and voice commands. Perfect for tea, coffee, and DIY drinks. Want one for your kitchen? Number 13. Want streak-free windows with zero effort? The Toshiba W2 robot cleans your windows using AI tech and powerful suction. Number 14. Looking for the perfect lawnmower? Check out the Yuka 1500. With 3D vision and RTK mapping, it tackles tough slopes and never misses a spot. Plus, it self-empties and sweeps. Number 15. The Munbin portable scanner scans docs in 900 dpi, fits in your bag, and no driver needed. Store thousands of files with its 16 GB SD card. Perfect for photos, documents, and more. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment. Check out the links in the description. Hit subscribe for more cool tech.